Editor of the Journal Record, Ted Streuli, now joins us to discuss the stories making headlines in business this week. Ted, some Sandridge Energy shareholders are not happy with the company's CEO, Tom Ward.
No, they're not. It's one rather significant shareholder in particular on the West Coast that owns about a little more than 4.5% of Sandridge stock. They sent a letter to the board members yesterday saying they were very concerned about some of the decisions that Sandridge has made, really in very strong language called into question some of Sandridge's governance and management practices, suggested an overhaul, suggested that Sandridge consider putting itself up for sale. That came on the same day that Sandridge reported its third quarter earnings, which were a loss of $184 million compared to a $561 million profit for the same quarter a year ago. CEO Tom Ward, in their earnings call Friday morning, strongly denied those allegations, was dismissive of the complaints, almost hostile, really.
Another Oklahoma energy company is reporting third quarter losses too.
Well, two of them are, and you mentioned them just a minute ago. Both Devon and Sem Group were down for the quarter. Devon took about a $761 million loss compared to a profit in the same quarter last year of over $1 billion. Sem Group had revenue down by a third and had about a $2.8 million loss. All these companies are suffering from the same problem. It's low natural gas prices.
A Houston-based company has re-entered the Tulsa market. Who's returning to the state?
Well, the company is Christian Brothers, and they bought out Go Forth Automotive in Tulsa for about $1.25 million. They're a franchised chain of automotive repair shops, so they've already now got a couple in the Tulsa area. They should have 4 or 5 open in the state within the next few months.
Steel Service Oilfield Tubular in Tulsa is expanding out of state. Where are they going?
Well, they're going into Louisiana. They bought a company there for about $91.5 million with 2 partners, another domestic steel company and a Japanese steel company.
A new manufacturing company has opened up in Bixby. Who are they and what are they making?
Well, this is Bill Bartlett, who started a successful company in Tulsa, was the CEO for some time. He's taking a couple of his former employees and opening a manufacturing company that is going to supply the petrochemical and pipeline industries.
And the Oklahoma City Council has approved more funds to upgrade the fairgrounds. What's the story there?
Right. Well, Oklahoma City has already issued bonds for $89 million in fairgrounds improvements. What they've approved now is another $3 million worth of borrowing. That will, in all likelihood, go to put a roof over a warm-up area on one side of the facility where people warm up their horses before showing them.
Ted Streuli, editor of the Journal Record, thanks for the information.
Delighted to be here.